talk about some beta. For those of you that have been following us for a while here because Bitcoin, you will know that I love and respect. I have a deep appreciation for the frog, man. Pepe has been basically trading like a 5 times leveraged Ethereum ETF since we started trading it initially. And, we bought Pepe initially like down here, on chain. Tommy, actually, one of our, he's actually our VP of operations, really fantastic trader. He bought Pepe at like a 200K market cap. So our community's been in for a really long time. And, meme coins typically move last. So just take that into account. We just hit a really nice trade. We bought this double bottom low right here. Like we literally bought this level right here. We bought this double bottom on Pepe, took some profits, and now we're back in here looking for higher. I think it's fair to say that this is a range. Um, and I think it's possible that we can move to the range high from here. Um, it, it depends though, right? It depends how Bitcoin and ETH hold up. But if this is a range here, and we do see Ethereum start to really move up and maybe get above the range high, then I'm looking at Pepe and knowing the correlation to Ethereum and knowing how it trades 3 to 5 times like a leveraged Ethereum ETF. So again, just for those that are not aware of what that is referring to, just assume if ETH goes up 1%, Pepe is going to go up 3 to 5%. That's typically how it trades. If this does move back to the range high from here, and again, it's big if, right? It could be a 60% move. So maybe ETH goes to 2100 or something like that, and we see Pepe back up here, and we take out some of these highs that were set earlier in the year. So I really, at this point, I'm looking for this to be a deviation, and for us to not, revisit this level. This should be like dramatically oversold territory. And an additional point of confluence as to why I think it could be that way is everybody wants to buy this level right here. Everybody wants to buy this level. I'll mark it right here. Everyone wants to buy here. Everybody wants to buy right here, and I don't think that they're going to get it. It's such an obvious level. We came back in, and this deviation filled in, a majority of this inefficiency right here, and I think that that does the trick. I think that that should do it. We came back, we filled in 50% of this inefficiency. Everybody wants to buy the perfect retest of when this thing finally went live on, centralized exchanges, and they're not going to get it. So I think your best case is probably that, you see some sort of bleed, back down into here, maybe, yeah, like this. There is a daily demand level right here. So I think it's possible you can come back in and, maybe bleed down to this level. But I think largely, this is a deviation. Came back and filled in most of this inefficiency. Most people want to buy here. Everybody. I don't think you're going to get it. So I'm looking to play Pepe. But I do recognize that meme coins are typically the last to really move. And more oftentimes than not, they mark periods of, overly zealous, overly frothy markets. And when they go crazy, they can lead to a big reversal after that. So I'm not really expecting it to like make a new all-time high tomorrow or anything like that. But I am expecting good performance out of it in the meantime. It's trading cleanly. It's respecting the correlation to Ethereum. And I think it's a good way to add on non-leveraged in the conventional sense, beta to Ethereum if you are bullish ETH. But yeah, I mean, that's, Pepe is a play that I'm pretty excited about. I will just quickly, I'll see if I can whip this up real quick, but let's pull up SHIB, and there is a pretty cool fractal we've been playing around with. If I can find SHIB real quick, where did I put it? A lot of coins on the watch list here. I'll just look it up here. SHIB. We'll throw it on here. Okay. So let's go to the weekly time frame. And SHIB, I don't really care about SHIB, right? But I care about it in the sense that it's a good fractal for memes, okay? And it's a good meme coin fractal, and Pepe is a meme. So what am I maybe looking for here? SHIB did something that Pepe might be doing. It got listed on Binance. This is the Binance listing right here for SHIB. This was it. Got listed on Binance. That was exit liquidity, and we moved back down. So what am I potentially looking at? Let's see if I can fit this all on here. Doing it quickly. I'm basically looking for Pepe to do something like SHIB did, where it consolidated for a while, and it was a big range, So maybe that's like this right here. We can just play these moves from range low to range high, range low, range high. And maybe you want to mark this like right here instead. Kind of depends how you want to view the range low. I think this is probably a pretty clean range low, but I also like the deviations. So, something to consider is Pepe does something like this. And let's see if we can fractal this quick. Bear with me. Okay. All right, that kind of worked. So maybe it does something like this. It'd probably be, I don't know how long it would take, right? It could go all the way out here. My hope is that it would be sooner rather than later. And eventually if crypto starts doing really well, then, maybe Pepe does something like this and pulls a SHIB. So just, something to keep in mind there, but, I like it for trading, honestly, as goofy as it sounds. I think that it trades really cleanly. And yeah, I respect the frog. I think everybody should respect the frog. Guys, that's all I got for you today. Thanks so much for being here. My name is Max. I'm the CEO of Because Bitcoin. I hope you guys found some value out of this video. Just wanted to do a quick little rundown, go through some things that I'm seeing in the markets right now. But yeah, guys, please like the video if you're still here. I know it was a long video, but please like the video. It really helps us grow the channel. The reason we're able to grow so quickly is because of you guys. You're always liking our stuff, commenting on our stuff. I'd love to hear your thoughts down below as well. Some projects that you're looking at would maybe like me to do some TA on, or maybe you'd like featured on our live show Market Check. We do have a live show here on YouTube 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. So be sure to check that out. It's at 10:50 a.m. Eastern time, Monday through Friday. Furthermore, if you want to check out the first link in the description below, it'll take you to our website. You can sign up for the Because Bitcoin Premium Discord, where you get to see all of my positions and trade execution live in real time. We do over an hour and a half of basically audio discussions with our community every single weekday, Monday through Friday. There's not a community out there that works harder than us at Because Bitcoin. So definitely consider giving that Discord a try. You can use the code TwitterBB for 30 days for free. Again, you get to trade with me, Tommy, Tucker, Wabi, Jackus, and Will's Outlook. You get to see premium analysis and all of our trade executions and our active positions. So guys, thanks so much for being here again. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Take care.